Hi, this is Tom with Ecoworkz. We're at our project of the month for April, the Rooker residence here in Orange. We're going to walk you through our project today. We're starting out here in the front. We did the synthetic turf, but the majority of our work's in the back, so we're going to walk you out there. Hello.
Hi, Tom.
How are you?
Welcome.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Welcome back.
Come on in. Well, as you can see, we finally have some plants in now. And we're just so happy with everything that you did with our backyard here. And thank you so much. Thank you enough.
So before we get started with our walkthrough today, we're going to ask Alicia a couple questions. First off being, have you had any other experience with other contractors or other home improvement projects?
Yes, actually I have. We did a home addition here, so that was a very recent project that we did. And we've also done other things like, of course, painting our house and other landscape projects that we did out front. So we have had some experience with other contractors. But I have to say, when you came, there was something that just made us feel like definitely let's work with Tom. You were the third bid that we received, so we did look at some other projects or some other contractors to do the project.
So you did get other quotes from other contractors. What was your reason for going with the quotes?
I just really felt that you understood our vision for our backyard. We had a design, and you took that design and you really expanded upon it. You took our everything that we said about wanting it to be family friendly, low maintenance, just kind of easy breezy, and you took that and you just kind of ran with it, so to say, and it just really came out great.
So how was your experience with our crews and working with us during construction?
Our experience, it was great. I mean, everyone was here. You said they would be here, at a certain time, and everyone was here at that time. Everyone just worked. Everyone was so nice. And sometimes I'd ask, if you needed help with something or if they needed anything, and everyone was just so nice. And they did a great job. Yeah. And they even moved my chickens for me, so that was great too. And the chickens are happy, so good.
All right, let's go ahead and walk through the project and see what we did for you.
Okay, thanks. Let's do it.
Okay, so on the patio here we did Angelus block, timberline, gray copper charcoal pavers, running bond pattern, great paver. First time we've used it, it looks amazing. We really love it. And then over here we did a fire pit with the also Angelus block, the rustic wall fire kit. It's a perfect little fire pit for an application like this. Puts off a great flame, as you can see. The designer designed in some decorative rock around it, which is a great feature. Perfect for the chairs and everything. Out here we did synthetic grass superstore synthetic grass. It's the Sage 90. Really nice grass, brown thatch. Also has some brown longer blades to make it look very realistic. Perfect for play areas for the children. We installed the bark all the way around the planters with some drip lines, and then moved the chicken coop over. Got the chickens all happy. Got some pea gravel for the dogs and some fencing back for a little dog run back here. Great project overall. Okay, so now that we walked through everything, Alicia, what was your favorite part of the project?
I would have to say I have a couple of favorite parts.
Okay.
My first favorite part is definitely the pavers. We always wanted something that looked wood to have that deck type feel, but I just thought about the maintenance of wood and splinters, and you just made that a reality by guiding us with these concrete pavers that really look great, and they look like wood. So we really love this. And then the grass, the kids love it, the dog loves it, and it's just so nice to be able to come out here in the morning, afternoon, anytime, sit down on the grass, roll around, and you don't have wet bottoms or muddy feet or anything like that.
It's always green.
So those are really the two favorite things that we have.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.